Hello guys, good evening. So, I bought this game just 3 days ago. Um, Actually, I used to watch this Get Road to Canada gameplay last pandemic because I don't have enough money to buy this game. But since I got a job, now I can buy it. I have enough money, and I almost forget about this game. Ngayon ko lang ulit siya naalala. So, at least ngayon, I have enough money to buy it, and then here we go. So, this is our first gameplay. So, yung mga nakaraang laro natin is SpongeBob. So, why not mag-try tayo ng iba? So, promise guys, itong laro na to is maganda siya. Get Road to Canada by Model Cake ata. Basta, ano siya, nung pandemic, madalas ko sa panoorin mga hapon na maggagabi. So, ang weird nun, parang dark days ko rin kasi yun. So, kung titignan nyo yung surrounding na ito, parang, kung siguro nilaro ko siya ng pandemic, sabihin maganda siya. Tumutugma siya sa team ng mga time nito. Wala pa akong work, saka siyempre, hindi pa pwede na mabas yung sa bahay. So, ito, maglalaro tayo ngayon guys. So, first gameplay ko. Sana matuwa kayo guys. So, new game. Mag-custom character muna tayo. So, ayan. Okay, so, pwede ka mamili. So, pwede tayo mamili na mukha. So, ayan. Pagandahan dito guys, yung character na gawa nyo, pwede nyo gamitin din sa laro. So, ito, mukhang kamukha ko to. So, ito number 3, mukhang malaking mukha eh. So, balikan natin si 3. 3 o 19, no? 3, 19 or 21. Sige, palitan natin. 3 or 19 or 21. 21 na lang. Hairstyle. So, tingnan natin kung ano magandang hairstyle. Kita yung character guys, kumukha ko. So, tingnan natin kung nag-fit. Sana makahanap ako ng tignan buhok. So, nababagay sa character ko. Okay, 37 mukhang maganda. Oh, 39 pala. 39. Sige, balikan natin si 39. Okay, 39 tayo. Yan. Okay. So, doon naman tayo sa hat. Okay, mukhang di maganda yung hat. Kasi maganda siya, pero tatabingan na yung hairstyle natin. I cannot recommend it. Yeah, no hat. Extra. Oh, I like it. Nice. I don't think we need it. So, next is skin color. So, ayan. Medyo ito. No. Yan. Hair color. So, try natin. Mas gusto ko kasi white. So, mag-start tayo sa one. Let's see kung meron tayong mas magandang. Okay, yellow. Tingnan natin kung may white. Sorry, hindi ako nakatingin sa interesting. 13. Oh, no. Iba yan. So, 13. Let's see. Balik tayo sa 31. Okay. Decider 13. Yan. Shades. Interesting. Maganda siya. Spirit Shades sa Apocalypse. I know maganda siya, but I don't think makakabuti siya sa okay, so mas maganda wala. So yung name, siyempre sino ba tayo? So gawin natin Mythical TV kasi yun yung name ng channel natin. So I don't know what to say. Athlete, fighter, surgeon. Tanda ako magaling. Mechanic, athlete, fighter, surgeon, engineer, martial artist, maybe fighter or gun collector, big user, engineer, gold mechanic, no, fighter, Vila Hatchet. So effective ba ang pagiging fighter? Siyempre skill kailangan natin ng mechanic or athlete, surgeon, engineer, martial artist. Okay, then tayo sa fighter. So ano fighter? Trait natin is paranoid, oblivious, charming, irritating, bandit, mysterious, fast. I'll go with this one. This person has a mysterious past. Plus 3 points given to 5 skills at random. Randomized and extreme personality. I'll go with this one. So let's see. Load or save. So let's save this. Okay. So this is mag-difficulty. Yan yung picture natin. So far wala tayong okay, so we're gonna go back. Okay, this one. Okay, so far okay, we're not finished yet. For the body, oh my god, not done. I wonder. Oh no, why did you replace? Okay, so we are a guy. Since lalaki yung player natin. Okay, so since I'm only 5'5", okay, I'll go with 3. And then I don't know, this is really the costume. Oh, this is the top and the bottom. Okay, let's start at 1. So we can see the other 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll go with 33 and 34. Go back. Wala akong mapili. Let's see. Bottom. Maybe I choose one. So maybe we can wood. Pattern. Shoot on the top. Okay. It will go to back to 20. Okay, press initial. Maybe later I will try on 28. 28 and 33. Interesting. Okay, only 28. Okay, so after 52, let's go back to 28. Okay, oh, I think the number 6 is better. Okay. I think this one is more interesting. Okay, so far so good. Let's save it. No, keep. Okay, save it. Let's go back. Okay, new game. This game is not. This one is empty. Oh, that's my character. What's my player? How can I use my player? New game. And here. Body. Okay, W. Wonder what mode. Hit the road. Start the journey. The group decided to grab shop supplies nearby. Press stop. Visit rest stop. Not sure using another character. Okay. So this guy is our first gameplay. Go back. Oh my god. Look at this guys. Look at the graphics. Very crispy. So let's try to put the video on the side. Not sure. You can press the button. Thank you. Okay, let's see. On the side. See, very interesting graphics. Okay, that was good. I love this game already, guys. Very awesome. Oops, come on. This part is not. Oh my god, my zombie. Okay. Start to go. So we'll go in this part. Oh, first we can. So they do not follow. Oh, come here. Shit, more zombies. He's wearing a VR. Instead of a gaggle. Maybe. there. You can do this. Come on, you can do this. I don't think there's another way. No, come here. Come here. Okay, we'll try here. Okay. So far, we have an interesting gameplay of this game. Okay. Start the car. Go it. For the found 6. Okay. Now this mission. Okay, so far that's the gameplay. The group goes against their judgment. Tapos plan out escape, maybe. Who plans and little escape? Maybe later. So this is good. Okay, this game already. Okay. I wish I could have my character here, but I don't know how for now. Maybe we can have it in the next game. Not sure how. Pharmacy. Okay. So that's it, guys. For now, this is my first gameplay of Death Road to Canada. So I don't know how to use the character that I made earlier. So maybe the next gameplay I'll try. So thank you guys. Hope you enjoy it and subscribe to my channel, Magnifico TV. And please support my channel and support also the developer of this game. This game is awesome, guys. Trust me. That's all, guys. Thank you.